everyone, welcome back. My name is Spring, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I made this beautiful flower wall backdrop. I also made an arch, and it was for our Doñana County Spring Career Fair. So if you enjoy watching DIY videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know where you're from down in the comments. And if you also want to be notified every time I upload a video, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below, turn your bell notifications on, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So we're gonna get started in today's video so you guys can see how I made this beautiful flower backdrop. This is for my flower backdrop. So I found a 4 feet by 8 foot insulation foam board, and it's 1 inch thick. So I got a discount, by the way, because there was that part right there that was cut out. So what I did is found the center part, which is right there. And then I measured down 2.5 feet. I'm gonna use that mark right there. Right in that center part, I'm gonna use a nail, tie one of my dress belts to it. And then I'm gonna make my arch right here. So I hope this works. I am so glad I'm covering this up with flowers. Okay, so I ended up having to paint my foam board arch because even though I was putting greenery on there, you could still see so much white coming through. The color on camera right now, it looks like a dark olive green, but it's more of like, has like a emerald green kind of. Anyway, I had this paint sitting around from another project, so I don't need it perfect. I basically just needed like 99.9% of the white covered up. So what I did to give this some more stability, and I drilled these holes into the styrofoam, and then I used a 1x4x8 on the back side to attach it to one of my arch stands because I'm going to be adding greenery and florals to this. So I am going to stand this up and attach it to my stand. That way I can start adding all the greenery on. These are the items I got to attach my greenery. I got some floral pins and then some wooden picks. So I wanted to try these also and see how they hold up into the styrofoam. So these are 1 3/4 inch. My styrofoam is 1 inch thick plus the greenery, so I think these will work well. So I'm using them to attach the greenery. You can barely see the floral stem, but nobody's gonna be looking up that high anyway. So this greenery was given to me by my daughter, and I've held on to it, and I'm so glad I did. My arch, and this side right here that's not done. I'm going to be adding in my pool noodles, greenery, and then I will start adding in all of my florals. But down on the bottom, I want to make it look like a garden of flowers. I have a lot of lavender and then a lot of mixed color florals. So first I'm going to do the arch on this to the left, fill that with greenery, and then I'll see how I feel inspired to do the rest. am going to be using them to put on the bottom of my arch. So I have some moss, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to cover the front part of the pool noodle, and then I'm gonna add in my florals. Basically, I want my arch to look like there's flowers coming out from the bottom of it. So I have this large pool noodle. Okay, so the large pool noodle is gonna go in front of the large backdrop, and then I have a smaller pool noodle and it's gonna go in front of the smaller arch. So right now I've covered the large backdrop and then the arch with greenery, and then I'll start adding in the florals. When I'm putting these flowers in the foam is 1 inch thick. I have to put them in at an angle. I can't put them straight back. If I do that, they're all gonna stick out like this. So I want them to go in different directions, but I also do have to hold one of the sides of the foam board just to give it some stability so I can insert in the stems into the styrofoam. I am gonna start adding in my florals to the pool noodle here. Basically, it'll look similar to this one right here. So I'm going to be using my viney wispy greenery, then these purple viney florals, some lavender, the taller pink florals, and then the orange ones. I think that color combination goes really well and it adds a really nice color. Basically what I wanted, I didn't want this to just look like a backdrop. I wanted it to look as realistic as possible by adding in some ground florals. So as I showed previously, I covered half of the pool noodle with some moss sheets, just the front part. I needed the back part to be exposed so I can put in all of the florals and the stems in there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am just going to finish up today's video by giving you some overshots of how this beautiful backdrop and arch came out. By far, this would be one of my top ways of styling these beautiful faux florals. This was just so beautiful, and I know everyone over at Doña Ana County was very pleased with the way everything came out. But I want to thank you again for watching today's video, and if you have any questions regarding anything that I did on today's video as far as the florals and installation, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and also let me know where you're from. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!